Hey, what's up guys? We just made it to Havana, Cuba. After a long day of traveling from Bolivia. We had a connection in Lima, and then we had a direct flight from Lima to here. Total about 8.5 hours. So we're in this beautiful modern Airbnb in Havana. Let's check it out. So right now we're on the balcony. This great view of the ocean and all these old beautiful homes. We have a couple modern hotels that's down the street. There's a new building that's going up right here. And we have a main street. And the place comes with free unlimited Wi-Fi, which means we don't have any restrictions, any issues, so we're able to work. It's not super fast, but it's definitely pretty good. And then let's check out the living room here. Big couch, big screen television, equipped with Netflix, all the apps that you need, air conditioning in all the rooms. You enter through the door right here, come up the stairs, and you have this new modern kitchen with the microwave. Brand new refrigerator, and we had them equip it with a lot of water because we didn't want to have to worry about trying to find water here. I know it can be difficult at times. And they also put some also in the bottom cabinet as well. The freezer below. And then we have a washer dryer, Samsung, iron board. This is the guest bathroom here with the shower. Let's see, we have a window here. Get some fresh air. And then we're gonna head upstairs. 2 bedrooms upstairs as well. And I believe there's just 1 bathroom up there, but it could be 2, let me double check. There's 2 rooms that he said is locked, that's where they kind of keep storage for like supplies. But you have this double doors here that goes to this main bathroom. Pretty spacious. Soak-in tub, shower, dual sinks. This apartment is very like New York. Like if someone rehabbed an older building in Manhattan, this is basically what it looks like. Air conditioner. This is the 2nd bedroom. This is Jen's room. Has a television. And let's check out the view here. Got like a city view. Both rooms have a safe. And these are the 2 rooms. Well, this one actually is open, but you can see like it's just storage. And then this one's locked, and this is the main bedroom here with the closet, and then another city view. So the place also came with 2 SIM cards for our cell phones for free. So that should be good enough to last us throughout the week that we're here. And it cost about $630 to stay here, and that's for, so it's Saturday, so it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like 5 days, 4 days that we're here. So a little pricey compared to some other places that we saw, but this place really stood out because it's very modern, and there are other places online that's modern too, but they're all kind of similar price in a good neighborhood, and I think it's definitely worth it. You know, Cuba does have its challenges. So we want to have some places very comfortable. So we got a plan to go to Varadero Beach in a couple days. It's like one of the best beaches here in Cuba. It's like a 2-hour drive away. And we're gonna just tour around the city the other days and check out other beaches. So yeah, let's hit it. I'm pronouncing that right. It's the first lookout point when we're headed to Varadero Beach, and this is where we can drink some free, what's those drinks called again? I forgot. Pina colada, I always forget. Your pina colada drinks. It's included in the tour. The tour is about $120 for 2 people. Gin was free. I thought it was private, but it's including 3 other people, so it's not too bad. We have like an air-conditioned minibus. And you have this beautiful lookout point, drinks, and we're like halfway point to where we need to be. So let's check it out. the bridge that connects Havana going towards Varadero. And our second stop, we are at a cenote, which is very deep. This one just said can be as far as like 25 meters deep. So that's like 10 times my size basically. I'm almost 2 meters tall. Let's head down. Guys, we finally made it to Varadero Beach, the city of Varadero, and you can see this is the main reason why we came here to Cuba. And I would definitely want to check out this beach. Very beautiful. The water's crystal clear, turquoise color, and you can see you can walk out pretty far and you can still stand up. So you can go out really far without worrying about the water covering you. So it's great for kids, smaller kids or shorter people. And the water, from what I hear, is pretty warm. And it's a lot hotter than it's been the last couple of days since we've been in Cuba. It's probably about mid or low 80s. Let's test the water out. Ooh, actually that water's pretty cold, not that warm. Maybe I'm just used to the water in Santa Marta where it's really warm. But check out this water, it's so beautiful. Definitely worth the 2-hour drive. I wish we could stay here for a few days. My plan originally was to try to find an apartment or a house here. But I thought it might be best, as our first time in Cuba, to spend more time in Havana. And maybe next time we'll spend more time out here. So we got an umbrella and chair, like $3 with the black market rate in peso. And we have it until 5 o'clock, so like the next 5 hours. Like jeans ready to get in. Let's take a walk around the beach here and see what we can come across here. I know it's a bunch of restaurants, places to buy fruit. So let's just walk around, see what we can find. Let's see, it's across the street. There's a lot of like nice houses right across from the beach here. You can see a lot of them have signs for places to rent, rooms to rent. Not sure the price, but pretty sure it's a decent rate. And we were looking to rent something over here too. Like I looked at a few houses. There's like right a block or two away from the beach. Pretty good rate. But a lot of places were like more older, not as modern and luxury as the place that we're staying in now. This place is definitely night and day from Havana. And like our tour operator told us, like this is definitely a great choice. It's one of the most beautiful places here in Cuba. And there's other places and cities outside, is even further away, that's very nice as well. They have tours, just places that's like 5 hours away. If we had more time, we could get into that, but We already lost 2 days because of the rain. The driver said typically we don't get that much rain in December, but recently it's been really bad, and it's been raining like hard, like all day long. You know, it's a stop start, you know, but majority of the day it is raining, and it's very difficult to get a cab and things like that. So we've kind of been staying in a little bit. So I'm glad we got a great beach day. Didn't have to worry about the weather. And then tomorrow we have a tour of like the Havana city. They hit all the hot spots in like a 5-hour day. So I think we should be all good with the weather for that as well. And then the day after we leave, but we don't leave until 10 p.m. so we still have some more free time. I'm surprised there's not more people out and about. Seeing this is a tourist town. I think most people, when I'm hearing them speak Spanish, most of them are local people. Maybe I've seen a handful of people who are foreigners like us visiting, but it is a Tuesday early afternoon, so I could be part of it as well. But I think even when I've seen like videos of this place, like there's never too many people on the beach, which is definitely a good thing. It's insane because this place is so beautiful and so nice, and it's so relaxed. It's a perfect place to come and just get some peace and quiet. One thing to note about Cuba, like yesterday, like every day there's a blackout period with like no electricity in certain areas, and the time changes. Like our host told us that, but he said typically they don't always turn off the lights. So we were lucky the first 3 days or 2 days, and then yesterday, all of a sudden around 7 p.m. they shut off about 5 hours. So we didn't have no electricity. So we ended up going to the hotel nearby to get some dinner. Came back. Basically kind of just went to bed because there's not much to do. So be mindful of that if you come to Cuba. There definitely is power outage issues. And since I've been here these last few days, like there's different little markets you can buy like water and soda and different chips and things like that, bread. But I haven't seen like really any places yet to like buy any fruit or vegetables. So we haven't had any since we've been here. Even at the restaurants, it's pretty like meat, rice, yuca, tostones, things like that, but like yeah, no actual like real fruit and vegetables. So look at this part of the beach. So we're down there, but over this area it's basically no one, private. Beautiful white sand beaches, beautiful crystal clear water. You can't ask for anything better. Hey guys, we are on our tour of Havana. Complete Havana Tour is what it's called. And we're in this very cool 1950s car here. And this is the first stop of the day. And we're right here in the Revolution Square. We had the monument right here across the street. He said we can maybe go inside up until like 4 o'clock. So we may come back and pass this around tomorrow. And then also we have the famous pictures on these government buildings here of Che Guevara, the first one. And then you have Jose Marti. He was a beloved leader of Cuba who mysteriously disappeared. No one knows what happened, but he disappeared in the sea like a plane crash, but never found any remains or anything like that. So very interesting. He was more beloved by the people because he came up in the streets of Havana, I think, as an art teacher. Well, Fidel Castro, you know, he's not truly Cuban. He's from Italy, I believe, originally. Just like Che is from Argentina. So these buildings are still being used today as we speak for people in the government. I thought they were actually like apartments. They kind of look like it, but they're actually places of business. But very cool. And here we have a more of an up close picture here of my boy Che Guevara. Very beloved revolutionary of the people. You see a lot of people have Che Guevara shirts, hats. I've seen quite a few Cuban people with tattoos, Che Guevara. Not only here, but other countries as well. I think like Argentina, people, you see a lot of pictures of him, tattoos of him. Very beloved.
fuego en mi corazón. Mi amor por ti es puro fuego. Candela. Felizmente hoy ella es mi esposa. Cada noche es más amorosa. Nuestro amor por siempre vivirá. No hay barreras que no vencerán. No, no, no. Fuego, fuego en mi corazón. Fuego, fuego en mi alma. Fuego, fuego en mi corazón. Fuego, mi amor por ti es puro fuego. Fuego, mi amor por ti es puro fuego. Fuego, puro fuego es mi amor por ti.